Hello you guys, welcome to today's school update vlog. I am looking rough, but it has been a few days since we got home from our cruise and it was really fun, and it's just been like crazy since being home because we opened the school in 5 days, which is crazy, and we have so much to get done. So the last 2 days have just been like grind time, and I just wanted to show you all the updates of the school. This is probably going to be the last update before we open, which is so exciting. I'll probably just make this the first day of school vlog as well and include all of that. But I just got to the school. I'm going to show you the progress we've made and what we're working on. Okay, so I am organizing all the Academy t-shirts by size, and then we're just keeping them here in the back. We have a few different options, well actually only two. They're the same t-shirt, but the first ones we had made, we just did it like a local printing shop because we weren't sure if like our official order would be in yet. So they're more of like a women's cut fit like this. And then we have like the oversized band tee that is now actually here. So we're giving the students these, and then they probably will get the other ones as well. But I'm just starting to organize those. Okay, I'm in our dispense area and I'm just organizing the color. Kenzie started on this yesterday and she's gonna be here soon to finish, but I just thought I'd help her out. So basically we have permanent colors, fashion colors, lighteners, and then shades of Q. It starts at level 1, goes to 7 up there. We have developers, and then we have levels 7 through 10 down here. Now I'm doing the 10-minute colors and then the color gels. And we're running out of room, so we're gonna try to figure out a way to fit this all in. Little dryer areas looking cute. The break room, we still have a little bit to do, but look how cute. They put up the whole collage. I believe it's a Teza collage. And the table's in. So cute. All the stations are done. We just have to put light bulbs in those lights. That's why it's dark in here. Washroom has the TV up. Got stuff ready to go in here. We're gonna be completing the blow dryer wall. We ordered a new sign since that stupid salon in Florida said we had to change the verbiage. So that's on its way. We've got some hair starting to get hung. Retail. Oh my gosh, the front desk is so cute. And then we're hanging like a big pampas grass thing right there. This looks so cute. This will be the study room. And then this is the room where basically it's the admissions office. So we need to organize and kind of spruce it up a little bit.
Maybe this is annoying, but is it annoying that the computer screen's right in front of you when you walk into the room, or do you think that's fine?
Okay.
I don't really know how to do that.
I don't either. Should we look at the Pinterest
The other
photo?
thing that I forgot today when I did my tours, do we have any more like little gift bags for when girls come and do tours?
So we're missing one. Yeah. We should probably have some extra too. So maybe we'll take like 5 more.
Okay.
Yeah, that would be cute. I mean, I kind of liked it off center. It's cute. Yeah.
Oh, wait, where is it gonna go?
This, I'll have Travis make sure it's set
And then
on
leave
the
it set
room.
on the
Oh,
table.
okay. And then we'll put the table.
Okay.
What about that white thing? Is it gonna get in the way?
I feel like center is away from that a little bit.
Yeah.
I like it in the center though.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the classroom almost put together. We just set up the kits and the desks for all the students that are starting on Monday. I'm gonna go over what we have for each of them so you guys can see. And then we're just kind of organizing everything else. Our mission statement came in. It looks so cute. So that's gonna hang on this wall. And then back here we have a storage closet. We've just been working on getting all of that organized. Okay, so we are now done setting up for all of the students. We have everything ready to go for Monday, which is the start date. So I'm just gonna show you guys like what they're gonna see when they come in, what they're getting in their kit, and break it down for you. Okay, so the first thing is we have a little setup for each student that has like their name card so they know where to sit. It has their luggage, which I'll show you guys so they'll know exactly where to go. So each place has a little t-shirt in their size and then their favorite candy. These are the Jessi Academy t-shirts, and then we got their favorite candy from them just so they have that as a little welcome gift. And then they each have a few things right here sitting in front of them. The first thing is an iPad. So this is going to be what they do all of their homework on. We are doing everything virtual for the most part. We will have hands-on books and things they can use in the classroom if needed, but all of their curriculum is going to be on this iPad. So they will get that. They're also going to get a pair of headphones to go with it. And then they're going to get a Jessi pen. Then they're gonna get a Jessi Academy notebook for taking notes. And then we have a few different papers ready for them. So this is the silver worksheet. So our curriculum is broken into 3 different phases. Phase 1 is silver, phase 2 is golden, and phase 3 is platinum. And this is the worksheet that they're gonna be completing throughout the silver phase, which basically is everything they're gonna be working on. They have to get it all signed off. And then the very last page is the final sign off so that we know that they are able to move on to the next phase. So they're gonna get that copy on the first day. And then we also have a student's point chart. So basically this is going to be something that they can do to earn points to earn student of the month. So we will check these at the end of every month, and the student with the highest amount of points will receive student of the month and get a prize. And this is just going to be something that we have like a list in the break room of tasks they can complete to get points. So anything that they do, we'll give them points for. And then we also have a kit list, and this is basically everything they're gonna receive in their kit on day 1. We're gonna go over it with them. We're gonna label each item with their initials, and then we're gonna have them check off that they received everything and then sign it at the end just to make sure that they're getting everything that's in their kit and everything is good to go, not broken, things like that. And then we also have our student handbook that we're gonna go over on the first day, just so that they know all of our policies and all of our procedures and everything. And we're gonna have them sign that, and they get to keep this copy to refer back to. And then at their little desk, they also each have a little envelope and an activity we're gonna do. It's called Letter to Future Self. They're gonna write a letter to themselves that they will open when they graduate. It just asks them some questions. We're gonna seal it and put it in an envelope with their file, and then we'll give it to them when they graduate so they can kind of just see how far they came and everything that they accomplished. And then now I'm gonna show you guys what is actually in the kit that they're getting. Okay, so they also will get a little tumbler. It's a Jessi Styles tumbler that they can label with their name and just use it for drinks throughout their schooling. And then this is going to be their big kit that they get. It's a roller set, and it has a little luggage tag with their name on it. And we're gonna have them also put like their personal info the first day, like their address, their phone number, just in case it ever gets lost. And I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what's inside. Okay, so the top of the kit opens like this, and it has little drawers and sections. So they're gonna be able to use this to hold all of their supplies, especially when they're out on the floor. It's gonna be super helpful because they can put everything in it and then just like pack it up and roll it away. So the first thing in here is the Wrap It Up foil collection. This is just our practice run box, so it has 30 sheets in it, and then we will have foils for them to use once they're on the floor here with clients. And then they also get all 3 of our clips. So we have the Crown Clip collection, the Hairline Halo Clip collection, and then we also have the Ride or Die Clip collection. And then they also get keys for their little trolley. And then in the main compartment here, we have our Jessi Styles Commitment Kit. This is all of the extension tools they need. And then they have the Together Forever Kit, which is Jessi's clips, like little metal clips for like pin curls and then also extensions. And then the Open Relationship Kit, which is our thread, scissors, and needles. So that is everything they're gonna need once we start extensions. We also give them a wall clipper kit, so that's gonna be for barbering. And then they also get a straight razor. Okay, now we're gonna go down to the second level. So you can just kind of take that top off, and then right here we have a little compartment, and we've put all of our metal round brushes in here for them. So we have the large size, the medium size, and the small size. So they're gonna get all of those. And then we also have drawers that open up, and we have more in here for them. So each student's going to get a Jessi Academy apron. And then we also have our boar bristle round brushes for them. So we have the white one, which is longer and thinner, the black one, which is a little wider and shorter. So that's good for different hair lengths. And then in this bottom drawer, we have a Jessi Academy water bottle. And then we have our multi-use metal brush. And then we also have our blending comb, our long blonding comb. And then we have 2 cutting combs that are metal, and a small and a large size. And then we have our Rider die comb, which is pink, and then we have our whisk. We have a little mirror for them. And then they get each of our brush collections. So we have the Essentials collection and the Lived-In collection. So they'll get 10 color brushes total. Then they also get a Jessi tote bag. So this will be nice because they can carry their stuff for school in it if they want. And this comes with training hair. So they'll get a machine and a J-Tide weft so that they can practice extensions once we start that. And then they're gonna get all of our hot tools. So we have the Storm blow dryer. And then we have all of our curling irons, which are called the J-Wave. So we have the 1.5 inch, the 1 inch, and the 1 1/4 inch so that they can learn all of the curling iron sizes. And then we also have the Jagger, which is our waving iron. And then we have the Jessi Stylers, which is our flat irons, and we have a thick and a thin one. So they are going to get all of that for their kit. And then we also have mannequin heads that they're going to use and keep here at the school, but they each get a male and a female so that they can practice on those as well. Okay, so we have a storage closet back here. And we are going to have a bin for each student. So we're gonna label the bins as well, and they can put overflow items into here. And then their trolleys fit under here on both sides. So they can store them at the end of the day, or they can take them home, it's their choice. And then everyone's also getting a mannequin head. They'll get a woman's mannequin head, and then they're gonna get a man's that has like the beard and the long hair and all that. And then they'll have another one that has textured hair too. Okay, so we did center the table, and then we're having this wicker light hung up. So it's gonna be right over the table. And then we just hung up this sign. So cute. Okay, so Kenzie finished the color room. So everything is now organized and labeled, and everything has a spot. So satisfying. We just labeled all of the bins with people's names so that they know where they can keep their extra stuff. How's it going?
Cool, look. It's
going?
It's going. It worked.
It looks sturdier than it was.
Yep.
Yeah, that looks cute.
That's getting there.
And that's going here.
Yes.
Okay, and then those mirrors in there. So you guys can see each room, where you're gonna be, ask questions and things like that. So if you're hungry, feel free to stand up and do that. There is 16 of you today, and I'm not gonna lie, you're all gonna be my favorite because you're the first one, so I appreciate it. We're new to this, so we have put in a lot of time and hours and passion and love making this what it's gonna be, but just remember that we're still learning. So if there's any feedback you guys have for us throughout your time here, we would love to hear it. But we're really excited to give you guys a great education, and I'm just excited you're here.
The Drapers and everybody else have put in so much time and love, and you guys are honestly getting the best education you can ever get. So, congrats. I'm excited for you guys.
This is kind of like our mixing area. So again, so we have 20 stations. for most of the, I mean, for you guys, 16 of you, you probably won't be sharing for a long time, so it's kind of nice. I'll ask me for student items that you can get into.
Okay, Sarah.
So we'll be getting those.
Yeah, I'm gonna call you guys up in just a sec and we're gonna take your photos.
I love that it arrived on the first day of school.
Right? Probably gonna be underneath the kit, so they're gonna be in the middle and they just look like they're black like this. Okay, Gracie, we heard it's your birthday, so we have a cookie for you. Oh, we're gonna sing happy birthday. So everyone join in. Okay, I'm not gonna sing into the mic, but 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Michelle. My friends call me Tim.
My friends call me Tim.
Which is nobody at Jessi calls you
We call him Michelle. He answers to Michelle.
Yeah, I'll be doing some of the teaching for like business, insurance, and all that stuff that you probably know nothing about, or if you do, you're like, wow, that's something I don't want to know. But it's something that's necessary as part of learning about hair, because when you get out in the real world, you have to run a business, and there are lots of stuff that you have to know.
And then you guys will present these at the end of the phase. So you'll have all phase to work on that. And then I'm gonna give you guys your homework assignment for today. So if you are in full-time, this is gonna be tomorrow, and if you're part-time, it's gonna start on Wednesday. This is also in the pivot point calendar or right here. But tomorrow's lesson is going to be healthy body and mind.
Okay, you guys, that is it for the vlog and all of the school updates. You saw a little bit of the first day of school. It was such a great day. We have 16 students who are signed up. They all showed up today on time. It was great. They're all really excited. They're all really cute.
Sorry.
What'd you do?
Can you see the TV?
No, my head's in front of it.
Sorry, I trust you. I thought you don't want to see the TV anymore. Don't look.
What is that?
Portraying me.
Ew. Oh God, okay. Anyway, they're all really cute and really fun, and we're really excited. So today we just kind of focused on orientation stuff. We went over policies. We had like donuts and drinks in the morning. We did a school tour. We got to know each other, asked questions, introduced ourselves. We took headshots of each student to make them a little student ID card. And then we did just a bunch of stuff like that. We gave them all of their kit stuff. They labeled it. So it's just kind of like diving in and getting started. And tomorrow's the first lesson, and I'm actually teaching it. So I've just been preparing. We have all of our curriculum done, but I just took notes so I kind of know like the points I want to talk about. And then we're going to have the teachers shadowing me tomorrow so that they can kind of see how I want things to run, and then they can take the curriculum from there for when they teach. And yeah, so tomorrow's gonna be really fun, and this was like the final school update as far as like putting the building together, which is crazy. So you guys saw most of it come together. I would say the building's like 90% done. There's still a few things that need to be done. So once everything's done, I hate you. So once everything's done, I will do like a final reveal where we do a vlog walking through every room in the building and showing the befores and afters and just kind of like wrapping up this whole segment of the school update. So kind of crazy that we're finally here, but I'm really excited, and I'm sure I will vlog more in the future too of like the school in general and kind of keep you guys updated. But make sure to follow the school Instagram. It's right here, and you can see behind the scenes day to day and you know what we're up to over there. So the next class starts February 6th. If you or someone you know is interested in enrolling, you can call us or text us at this phone number right here, and we will answer all of your questions. Thank you guys so much for all of the support and love during this journey. It's been so crazy, but I'm so excited it's finally here, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this little school segment we've been doing. So let me know what types of videos you would like to see in the future, and I'll catch you next time.